Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Wi-Fi problems. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Select connection and sharing. Go down, select reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. You can see this operation would reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings. Tap on this reset settings button. Tap on OK. The network settings have been reset. Then go after this reset operation, go back to settings, select Wi-Fi. From this available networks list, select the Wi-Fi network, enter Wi-Fi password here, tap on connect. Okay, connected. Tap on this icon, tap here. Here you can see connection status connected, connection speed, signal strength excellent. This way we can reset network settings and fix all Wi-Fi problems. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.